Josh, pharmacist with pharmacisttips.com. Here today to take a look at the CareTouch blood glucose monitoring system. I purchased this on amazon.com. I'd never heard of CareTouch brand before, so I thought I'd get one. We check it out, see what it's all about. The nice thing about this is included in this kit, I paid $30.99 for it. It has the blood glucose monitor, it has 100 test strips, it has 100 Lancets, a Lancet device, and a carrying case. So everything you need to get started. Plus there's a quick start guide and then the full instruction manual as well as a warranty card and a little instruction manual for the Lancet device. So we'll take a look at the Lancet device here first. Pretty standard as far as Lancet devices go. Right here is how you charge the spring. Right there is how you propel the Lancet forward. And then we have a Lancet ejector right there. So you just get a Lancet. This just turns slightly. You put your Lancet in there. Make sure you remove that little cap. There's your Lancet. We go your depth selector. I usually select somewhere in the middle to get started, and then you can adjust it from there. Okay. Now let's take a look at the glucose meter itself. The batteries were not installed when I purchased it, so we need to go ahead and install our batteries. It takes two 2032s. Just kind of push them down. There you go, two 2032s installed. Replace our door. Turn it on. Beyond there, it's gonna, I tried this already and took one reading, so it's gonna show that memory. I'll show you how to set the time, because you will have to set the time the first time you use that. You hold down the M button. It has two buttons, M and C. And as you can see, there it is, it's flashing. So your first option is to set the month. So you can press the C till you get to your month. And then you press the M to go on to the date. Go ahead and select the correct date. And then it gives you the option of 12-hour or 24-hour. So regular, or what many people refer to as military time. I prefer 12-hour. And then we go on to the hour. So we can pick the hour of the day. With the C button, once we're on the hour that we want, we press the M. And then the minutes. And then we use the C to get them to the minutes we want, the M to go on to the next. There is your year. So you can press the C button to get to the year that you want, M to go on after that. The units that that the blood glucose is measured in is right there. According to the manual, you cannot change that. It is milligram per deciliter, so you can't change that. You can go on now. This is if you want the audible beep when you're using the machine, so you can press C to turn it off or C to turn it on. Go M on to the next setting. This is if you want your reading deleted. So do you want it saved to memory or not? You press no or yes. We're gonna say no, not delete it. We can keep it in there. All right, and then it turns off once you're done. Now we have our Lancet device ready. We have washed our hands with warm soapy water, thoroughly dried them, or used an alcohol swab and allowed it to completely dry. And we get a test strip. Now these test strips have a code on it, and the manufacturer recommends that we make sure that code matches what's on the bottle. Those are gonna be A01. So we'll put that strip in the machine right there. There's a little arrow. Let's go ahead and install that. A01, looks like we're golden there. It is telling us to apply the drop of blood. So now our impeccably clean finger can be poked with our fresh Lancet. There we go. Nice drop of blood. So we want to just barely touch that and it'll pull the blood inside. And then once you hear that beep, you can pull it away. I had more than enough blood there. All right, 85. There's our reading. Now, you can either just pull that out, or there is a test strip ejector right there. powers off. So that is the CareTouch blood glucose monitoring system. It is, I'll include the link below. I found it on Amazon for about 30 bucks, test strips. $19.99 for 100 of them. And then the CareTouch Lancets, I saw they had a box of 200 for $6.99, so real reasonably priced. Again, I don't have a lot of experience with this, so go ahead and let me know if you have had experience with this system and what you think about it. Thanks for watching.